the remaking of the T-37. The motor mounts came right off the plane. I'm hoping we don't have a repeat today. But got left, right, up, down, and throttle. Throttle. Oh.
Instructor's plane.
What? Oh, there we go.
Okay, left, right, okay, and then full. Okay. And then the weird launch. Try not to get myself. I think it's just sort of.
It was originally supposed to have wheels.
Go. All right.
And it was originally supposed to have wheels.
Okay, you ready?
Yep. Almost quite literally. Dang, it's way out there.
Okay, that was.
What? Could you only fly forward for some reason?
I couldn't bring it under control. Every time I tried to turn it one way, it would either overcorrect or whatnot. But
Do you think we can retry it?
oh, let's go find out. Pause that and see what we can find.
I know. I'm gonna pause it in like 2 seconds. Dun, dun! We retrieved it. Big oof. Oh. Yeah, I think it's the other. I think it's the other propeller. Oh no, I just couldn't see.
It's the landing gear hatch. And the the control surface came off. So
Oh.
that'll be it for today. That's an easy glue job.
Well.
Let me just see something. Yeah,
Should I like stop recording?
It's not reliable.
Should I stop recording?
Yeah, go ahead.
Well. Bye guys. Hope you enjoyed.